Hustle with Bigfoot music.
You said don't tell. You said don't tell us all. Like I was something fragile, like loving me was reckless, like I'd ruin your title. You kept me in the backseat, tinted windows down. Funny how you loved me most when no one was around. I'm pretty like a dream you almost remember, soft on your lips, but gone by September. You swore she was a chapter you were closing soon, but I was just a secret you'd erase by June. You left me heartbroken on Valentine's Day, roses on the counter, but you couldn't stay. I'm done being your midnight while she gets your last name. You don't get my loyalty if you won't claim my name. You wanted something quiet, well baby I can shout. Watch me go public and watch your world burn down.
Baby, if it wasn't for my daughter, I would be with you. I love you. Daughter, fool me once, shame on you.
I built a throne from every lie.
Fool me twice.
I guess I'm the bitch who let you play both sides.
Thank you, bitch.
He's about to get capped.
No more arrows in my back.
You kissed me like I was forever, but treated me like a maybe. I kept your secrets, polished your lies while you were busy being lazy.
I'm the nightmare in your Sunday morning. I'm the text you never reply to. I'm the truth in your silent warnings, and the shadow that outshines you.
You only loved me when her silence filled the room.
But I look good in the dark, and I